Class reptilia. It is derived from the Latin word reptum, means to creep or crawl. Now important features. They have creeping. They have creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. They have creeping of the crawling mode of locomotion. They are mostly terrestrial. They are mostly terrestrial. They are mostly terrestrial. Body is covered by body is covered by dry and cornified skin. Cornified skin. Epidermal. Scales are scutes. So body is covered by dry and cornified skin. Epidermal. Scales are scutes. Body is divisible into or divided into four regions. Namely, head, neck, trunk and scale. Head, neck, trunk and tail. These are the parts of the body in which they may be divided, and they do not have external. They do not have external ear opening. And 6 point, ear is represented by tympanum. Ear is represented by tympanum, and respiration takes place respiration takes place by lungs. And 8, these are uricotelic. Uricotelic means they excrete most of the nitrogenous waste in the form of the uric acid. It is a type of the adaptation. In ammonotelic animals, to release the nitrogenous waste in the form of the ammonia, there need of a huge amount of the water, and in urotelic animals, to release the nitrogenous waste in the form of the urea, they need a little less amount of the water in comparison to the ammonotelic animals. While in case of uricotelic animals, since uric acid is least toxic in comparison to the ammonia and the urea, ammonia is toxic, very toxic, that cannot remain in body for a long time. Urea is little less toxic than ammonia, then that can retain in the body for more time in comparison to ammonia. While uric acid is least toxic and it may remain in body for long time in comparison to urea and ammonia. So these are the uricotelic, and the important thing is there, Jacobson organs. Jacobson's organs meant for smelling are meant for Jacobson's organs are meant for smell. These Jacobson's organs are found on the roof of the buccal cavity. They are very well developed in lizards and snakes. Now next point, we have to write next point. Heart is 3-chambered. Tubercles and one ventricle, but here one exception is there. Crocodile having 4-chambered heart. tubercles and two ventricles. These are cold-blooded animals. These are cold-blooded animals. One more important feature is there. Snakes and lizards. Snakes and lizards shed their scales as, this is very important feature, as skin cast. The snakes and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. So sexes are separate. And lesson 2, there the fertilization, internal fertilization and oviparous. These are oviparous and in development. Direct, there is direct development and examples: lizards, snakes, tortoise, etc. etc. These are the few examples of the reptiles. Now class aves. Class aves. They includes the birds. So first features: body is streamlined. Streamlined body to reduce the resistance during the flying. Body is covered with feathers. Four limbs are modified into wings. By which they can fly, but There are the few birds which cannot fly. Such birds are called the flightless birds. Why they are the flightless? Yet they have the wings. So wings are the reduced, or wing size is very much smaller than the size of the body, so they cannot fly. So four limbs are modified into wings by which they can fly, but there are some flightlets, but there are some flight birds. But there are some flightless birds, just like ostrich, etc. They cannot fly. Hind limbs are adapted for running, swimming, while hind limbs are adapted for swimming, running, perching, etc. Running, you know that there are some mostly flightless birds run very fast. This is adaptation. And swimming, you know some aquatic birds, just like ducks, they can swim. And perching, you notice some birds can sit even on the thin strings. So this property is called the perching. Beaks are present. They have beaks. They have beak. Beaks do not have teeth. Beaks do not have teeth. So they have the beaks, and beaks do not teeth. Digestive tract has additional chambers. The digestive tract, the digestive so this is the digestive tract have additional digestive tract have additional chambers, have additional chambers called trap and gizzard have additional chamber called the crop and the gizzards. They have pneumatic bone. They have pneumatic bones. And endoskeleton is ossified. Is ossified means that is made up of the bones. So endoskeleton. Now next point. Then is warm blooded animal. Warm blooded animals. Four chambered heart. Four chambered heart. Two arcades and two ventricles. Two arcades and two arcades and two ventricles. Uricotelic. Uricotelic. This is the adaptation. It is the uricotelic means they need a very less amount of the water for the excretion. And to reduce the body weight, they have only one ovary. They have only single functional ovary. They have only single functional ovary. Single functional ovary. Which one is the left? And sexes are separate. Fertilization internal. Fertilization internal. Oviparous. And development is direct. Development direct. So these are a few important features of the avies. So some examples of the avies, different type of birds, as the sparrow, crow, and Paucristus. These are a few examples of the birds. You can write some examples of the birds. Sparrow, crow, parrot, etc. etc. These are a few examples of the birds.